Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mehta Techno, and today we are going to talk about Windows 11 login issues. So whenever you start your laptop with the Windows 11, sometime what happen, it will not detect your internal or integrated keyboard and mouse, and you will not able to enter your ID and password. So why this is happening? Because you have enabled the, or by default Windows 11 enable the fast boot access. So your screen will be look like this, and if you keep pressing the keyboard or the mouse, but it will not happen. But once you connect the external keyboard, it will start working. Also, once you restart the laptop, sometime to start working, sometime you have to restart multiple times, and then it will start working. So for that it is very simple. You have to go to the control panel, and then you have to go to the power option, and inside the power option you will be having option choose what the power button do. And once you go there, then you will able to find one of the checkbox turn on fast startup. So by default this button will be enabled. So what you have to do, you have to just uncheck it and save changes, and then you have to restart your laptop, and after that it will start working it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, share,